This is the Google Pixel Buds A series and I've been using them for quite a while now, and I think it's finally time I give you my full review on these little earbuds. But spoiler alert, they are great, but there are also a few things I hate about them that we'll talk about in this video. One would ask, why would I even review this now when they launched back in August last year? Well, if you haven't heard already, the Pixel Buds Pro are coming out later this month, and I think this is a perfect time to look back and see if the A series stack up, and if you should either wait and pick the Pro version when they come out, or stick to this A series. So drop a like if this is something you're into. This is Philip and let's jump right in. The Pixel Buds A series go for $99 right now on Google Store, which is a really good deal, undercutting most popular earbuds on the market. For me, the case has held up pretty well and no scratches at all, and talking about the case, it's tiny, which is a good thing as far as portability is concerned. It's also built pretty well and the matte texture on the outside feels good while keeping fingerprints away, and this also extends to the earbuds themselves. The inside has this glossy texture and the buds snap right in and stay in there thanks to the stronger magnets. The hinge is still strong and durable, it still snaps with that satisfying sound just like it did on day one, and I like that. These buds have fast pair, so for the first time you pop them out, you'll get this pop-up followed by a walkthrough, and this will be added to your Google account, so anytime you bring it closer to another device with the same Google account, they'll be ready to use. That's a time saver if you ask me. For the time that I've been using them, they fit comfortably in my ears. I haven't had any problems with them. Sometimes I use them for over 3 hours and I get minimal to zero ear fatigue, which is a good thing for those longer sessions. Each earbud has this wingtip thing that locks in the ears, and I can say they do a good job in keeping the earbuds locked no matter how hard you shake your head. And the buds and the earbuds last up to 24 hours of listening time, which is not bad, and if the earbuds are out of juice, 15 minutes will give you extra 2.5 hours of listening time, which is just enough until you get to fully charge them again. Now, how do they sound? Well, my short answer is they sound pretty great, and one thing I really like about these earbuds is the bass coming out of them. It's not much but sufficient enough for most day-to-day listening needs. Details in music are clearer enough, and if you feel like the bass out of the box is not enough for you, you've got a few more toggles to boost that. One is bass boost that just does what it says, and the other one is loudness compensation that improves bass and treble at lower volume levels. And I can say they work pretty well in improving the bass and overall sound quality of the earbuds. Google warns that if you toggle these options on, the battery life might be shortened, but I've always accepted to sacrifice a little bit of juice for these basic features. The other feature packed in these earbuds is adaptive sound, and it optimizes volume based on your environment, so if you're in a loud environment, the earbuds volume increases to counter that and vice versa. These are really handy features that makes the experience great while using these earbuds, and I really like them. I was using this Pixel Buds A series to play games before, and oh boy, that has never been a great idea. Latency here does not make things better, and I will never recommend them if you are a gamer. That's why I got a pair of Type-C headphones just for that, but when it comes to listening to music, watching movies and other types of content, it's great. On the other side, there's no much gesture controls on the earbuds like the previous Pixel Buds. You get a double tap on either touchpad of the earbuds to skip the current song, a triple tap to go to the previous track, and a press and hold for Google Assistant that I must say has been implemented in a very good way than most earbuds out there. You press and hold the touchpad to launch the assistant, and the assistant tells you what time it is, followed by your notifications if you have any, so you don't have to pull out your phone from your pocket. They also post music or whatever you are watching at the moment when you take them off your ears, and resume playback when you put them back in, thanks to the built-in detection sensors on the buds themselves. And now for the things I wish were different. The first one is there's no wireless charging at all, and at this price point, other manufacturers like nothing include a wireless charging option with the Ear 1 earbuds for the same price tag. Now this will be a handy feature, keeping in mind the Pixel 5 and 6 series supports reverse wireless charging, and being able to top up your earbuds on the go would be a lifesaver sometimes when you're not near an outlet. On the other side, the Type-C charging at the bottom tops it up in just over an hour and a half, so not much to complain about. If wireless charging is a must feature for you, then I think you should be waiting for the Pixel Buds Pro that will launch later this month. The other thing that gets me mad every single time I use these earbuds is the bass boost feature. They just stop working once you pop the buds back in the case. I don't know if this is happening to only me, because now whenever I want to listen to music, I have to hop onto the sound settings and play with the slider first before the bass boost kicks in. I think this can be fixed by an OTA update in the future, and talking of OTAs, I've received one firmware update so far that actually enabled this feature, so fingers crossed. Now if you use these earbuds on calls, this is a quick test of how they sound. Not that great, but they get the job done whenever you need them. Now to the big question, should you grab this for $99 now or wait for the Pixel Buds Pro later this month for $199? Well, if active noise cancellation with transparency mode and wireless charging are a must-have feature for you, then you should probably wait for the Pro version. But other than that, the sound quality on the Pixel Buds A series and the build quality is great, and I'd easily recommend this to anyone looking for earbuds because you won't be missing out a lot. Anyway, that's it. I hope this video helped you in one way or the other. If so, drop a like to this video and comment this emoji if you made it this far. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time guys, goodbye, and most of all, stay safe.